Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going on a field trip. We're kicking off the East Tennessee Shop Hop series, and we're going to be checking out 10 wonderful quilt shops that are here local, and I can't wait to show you what we find. So each quilt shop has designed their own block, and this is Gina's block, and they'll eventually all go into a quilt together, but this is their block alone.
Well, then we have it in blue if you want the kids.
Very cool. Really cute.
And this shop has their block in purple and blue.
Now our block is just the inside, and then I added to it to make the quilt.
Each shop is also going to demo a specific
Hold
product.
your binding down for you. She's already started it. And all you have to do is sit your iron down. You don't have to move it. And you just slide it through. If your iron has an automatic shut off, all you have to do is lift it up and give it a minute until it comes back on. And that perfectly makes your binding. And then she likes to tell people this will get very hot.
The silicone, yes,
So
I would imagine. They've got like the biggest little learning center too.
There was like the school sewing machine at Home Depot.
All of the different collage pattern quilts. With tons of pre-cuts too. And each shop is also putting together a gift basket. So there's a drawing at the end of the series. If you drop off your passport at their shop, you might win their prize. And then these are the two different color wheels that this shop has for their blocks. So they have the purple and the navy. So it's nice to have some options. And it was fun just to have a day out with friends.